Hello and welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos. In this one, we'll do Leetcode 881, boats to save people. This is today's daily challenge. So we're basically given an array of people where this contains the weight of every person, and we're given a weight limit of the boat. So we have to move these people from one side to the other using boats, and we have an infinite amount of boats, but each boat has a weight limit. And we have to find the minimum number of boats to carry every person, right? But the boat can only carry a maximum of two people, right? So it'll either just carry one person or it'll carry two people. And we're guaranteed that each person weighs less than the limit, so everyone can surely fit. So what will be our approach to solve this problem? Basically, what we're going to do is, the lightest person, to get the lightest person on a boat, it's best to pair the lightest person with the heaviest remaining person, right? Because if the lightest person is getting on the boat, you know, you might as well just knock off the heaviest person with him, so that you have smaller people left to deal with, right? And so what we're going to do is we'll sort the array, right? We'll sort the weights array and we'll try to pair the lightest one with the heaviest one. But if both of them can't get on the boat, we'll only let the heaviest one go and see if we can pair the lighter one with the next person, right? So let's just code that solution and see how that looks like. So the first step is to sort the people array, and then we'll have the light person pointer at 0, and we'll have the heavy person pointer at people.length -1, which is the end. And we'll say while light is less than equal to heavy, which means we want, even if they're equal, we want to go through this loop because the last person remaining in the middle, we still want to get them on the boat, right? So we'll also have a variable called boats, which is the number of boats we need, and at the end we'll return boats, right? So first we'll see if can we get both of them on the boat, right? So this is going to be if people at light plus people at heavy is less than or equal to limit. That means we can get both of them on the boat. Then what we'll do is we'll increment our light pointer and decrement our heavy pointer, right? So we'll move both of them in because both of them go on the boat, and we'll also do boats plus plus at the end, right? And else, if this means we can't get both of them on the boat, right? So then what we'll do is we'll just get the heavy person on the boat. So we'll just do heavy minus minus. So we'll decrement our heavy pointer and then leave our light pointer as is because that light person may be paired with the next heaviest person, right? So we'll just decrement heavy here, and then in either case we want boats plus plus because we used up a boat, and at the end we just return boats. So yeah, that's it. Let's run it and see how this looks like. All right, accepted. Let's submit. Perfect. 98%. Good enough. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.